Dear students, welcome to the module UU-MBA-711 dissertation. Formulating and clarifying the research topic is the starting point of your research project. Once you're clear about this, you will be able to choose the most appropriate research strategy and data collection and analysis techniques. Your research topic must be something you are capable of undertaking and one that excites your imagination. It would help if you felt comfortable that you have or can develop the skills that will be required to research the topic. We hope that you will develop your research skills as part of undertaking your project. However, some skills, such as learning a new foreign language, may be impossible to acquire in the time you have available. As well as having the necessary skills, we believe that you also need to have a genuine interest in the topic. Your ability to find the time and resources to undertake research on the topic will also affect your capability. This may be because they require you to measure the impact of intervention over a long period of time. It may be important to consider your future aspirations. If you wish to obtain employment or pursue a career in a particular subject area, it is sensible to use this opportunity to start to develop some expertise in it. Your ability to find the financial resources to undertake research on the topic will affect your capability as well. Topics that are likely to require you to travel widely or need expensive equipment should be disregarded unless financial resources permit. Capability means you must be reasonably certain of gaining access to any data you might need to collect. In the initial stages of the research, you're expected to refine this to a clear and feasible idea that meets the requirements of the examining organization. The issues within your research must be capable of being linked to academic theory. Initially, theory may be based just on the reading you have undertaken as part of your study to date. You are certain to be asked to set your topic in context. You will need to have knowledge of the literature and to undertake further reading as part of defining your research questions, aim, and objectives. These will enable you to assess the extent to which your research is likely to provide new insights into the topic. If you have already been given a research idea, perhaps by an organization, you will need to ensure that your questions, aim, and objectives relate clearly to the idea. It's also important that your topic will have symmetry of potential outcomes. Without this symmetry, you may spend a considerable amount of time researching your topic, only to find an answer of little importance. You need to ensure you have the scope to write an interesting project report. If you wish to obtain employment or pursue a career in a particular subject area, it is sensible to use this opportunity to start developing some expertise in it. There is a range of techniques that can be used to find and select a topic that you would like to study. They can be thought of as those that are predominantly rational thinking and those that involve more creative thinking. It would help if you choose those that you believe are going to be of most use to you and which you will enjoy using. These techniques will generate one of the two outcomes: one or more possible project ideas you might undertake, and second, a few ideas that relate to your interests. Theory is composed of four elements related to what, how, why, and a fourth group of who, where, and when. Good theory must not only include what and how elements to identify underpinning variables and describe the nature of the relationship. It must also use logical reasoning to explain why the relationship exists. Good theory has the power to explain and predict, but it also be the subject to limitations. One or more constraints will limit the scope of many theories. In research, the importance of theory must be recognized, therefore, it must be made explicit. It will help you and your reader to decide on the viability of your research project. It will be helpful if you divide your research plan into stages. This will give you a clear idea as to what is possible in the given timescale. You will find it useful to produce a schedule for your research using a Gantt chart. You will provide a simple visual representation of the tasks or activities that make up your research. Research is like going on a journey. It's a journey that involves you making a number of decisions. Formulating and clarifying your research topic will engage you in a period of intense intellectual activity that will provide you with the opportunity to learn from this experience.